Civil paragraph. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Mia Chanum, Stenographers Academy, Mia Chanum. Ready? Start. The word hearing has not been defined in the code, but it is obvious that it is used in different rules with a view to state the different purposes for which a date for hearing of the suit is fixed. Full stop. Now, in Order 9, Rule 1 read with Rule 3, it would appear that after the institution of the suit, when the summons is issued upon the defendants calling upon them to appear upon a particular date, and that date is the first hearing of the suit, and if the parties fail to appear when the suit is called on for hearing on that date, the plaintiff's suit is dismissed for default. Various steps have to be taken by the parties in a suit in order that it may be ready for final hearing, which means the examination of witnesses, the tendering of documents, and the hearing of arguments. Full stop. At the intermediate stage, in order to enable or compel the parties to take necessary steps in the prosecution of the case, the court may fix dates for some particular action to be taken. Full stop. These dates are for hearing of that particular matter which is specified in the order of the court. Full stop. New para. To my mind, also summoning of a defendant is an act germans to the proceedings in the suit, and the date for which the defendant is to be summoned and his presence is to be procured, is a date of hearing, in as much as it is an important step in the suit. Full stop. I am, therefore, not in agreement with the learned counsel that the said date on which the suit was dismissed for non-prosecution was not a date of hearing. Full stop. New para. There is yet another aspect of the case. Full stop. Even if I were to agree with the learned counsel and to hold that on the said date, the suit was not called on for hearing, and that the order passed by the learned court dismissing the suit under Order 9, Rule 8, CPC was illegal, or for that matter without jurisdiction. Full stop. I am afraid, it would not have been possible for me to set aside the said order in this civil revision, arising out of the present suit. Full stop. By now it is well settled that a void order is a species of an illegal order, and particularly when the remedies are available against the same, them it cannot be ignored or set aside in collateral proceedings merely on the ground that it could not have been lawful passed. Full stop.